Donald Overton with the Veterans of Modern Warfare, and here from Greenville, North Carolina.
All right. Well, thank you. We're we're really excited to have you here today. If you could, can you talk to us about the importance of today's event and really focusing on veterans' health? How important is it to host events like this?
I think it's one of the most important opportunities. As we all know, preventative measures are the most important in healthcare, and so to have an organization such as the Redskins, Men's Health Network, and these other entities come together and provide this outreach to veterans is just paramount as we continue to educate our veteran population about some of their exposures and the health risks of service. So, great opportunity, great event.
Can you tell me, you touched on the partnership piece of this. You've got the Redskins, you've got GlaxoSmithKline, Men's Health Network, your organization, and 12 other veteran service organizations. Right. Can you talk about the value of that partnership?
I think the values, looking for the right word, it's the first opportunity, I think, that you've brought all these entities together where you start bringing the veteran service organizations, the private sector, as well as an organization that has such name recognition as the Redskins. So to bring these events together, it can only be something that grows across the country, and hopefully others will follow suit and we'll be able to launch campaigns like this nationwide. So just incredible opportunity for all veterans.
And when you look at the screenings being provided, did anything kind of jump out to you? The cholesterol, the prostate, the osteoporosis, the lung function, the blood pressure. When you look at that, what do you think of, and what do you think your constituents are thinking?
I think for us, having served in the first Gulf War, we had a lot of exposure issues, and so I think having these types of tests done on a regular basis gives you an opportunity to, assess really. Throw up a red flag if there's a situation there. So it's a good all-around screening that really can help alert you to what some issues are. And having the opportunity with a lot of these exams to be able to print the reports out, bring them back to your personal doctor to add it in. It's just something that you typically don't have such an opportunity to access. And as we all know, it can be so difficult gaining access to the VA healthcare system. So this can really help expedite, I believe, getting in there, because you might find something through these screenings and be able to really get yourself into the VA healthcare system and make sure you're getting proper care.
That's great. And when you look at GlaxoSmithKline being able to sponsor this event and really make the day possible for us, do you have a message for them or anything to say about their ability to pull this together and help us fund this initiative?
What else can we say about GSK? GlaxoSmithKline has done an incredible job, and once again, anytime that these private corporations, private entities reach out to veterans, it's creating a new energy across the country, and it really helps give us a feeling of worth and dignity back again, that these organizations care about us, and it hopefully will create unique partnerships for the future as we continue to do outreach on behalf of veterans. So just wonderful opportunity. Can't thank GlaxoSmithKline, Men's Health Network, and others for all your efforts.